Hello, this is Richard Music. Today I'll be walking you through your free web analysis to show you how making a few changes to our website can turn it into a lead generation machine and really generate some revenue for our business each month. Now, to do this, we first have to understand how people are finding landscaping business in your area. Most people will simply go onto Google, type in whatever service or industry they want plus the city name, and they'll just pick from the first few results down below. Now, as you'll notice, we have a monthly search volume of 1,000 per month for roofing in Portland. Now, if we could get our business in the forefront of those searches, we can guarantee that 1,000 potential customers will see our business first before looking at our competition. However, in order to do this, we'll need to do a few things first. So let's start with the Google Maps since we're already on the search engine results page. Now, this Google My Business section, Google Map Hack is an important part of generating traffic for our business. And one of the factors it looks for when selecting where a company will rank is called citations. Citations are all of the locations where your business, your name, address, your phone number are listed online. Now, currently, your top two competitors on MapPack and organic searches have 23 and 29 citations. Now, we want to make sure that we always go bigger and better than our competition. So I recommend doubling that biggest number. So we'll need 58 citations in order to really move up in the MapPack. But it doesn't stop there. We also have the organic search results down below this area. And this section, it looks for different things than a map pack. Let's take a look at your competitor's website and see how they're ranking on the first page. Now here we have, Portland Roofing Company, and you'll notice that they have built out a little bit of content on their site, and this content is filled with only 115 organic keywords and phrases. Keywords are the most used word or phrase on a web page and are based on these keywords. We are going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do and where we operate from. And this is going to help them to put us in searches related to our business, such as the high volume and business related searches like landscaping. So we want to make sure that we keep our keywords very industry specific while remaining very content rich. I recommend a minimum of 750 to 1,000 words on the homepage. But content and keywords are not all that's needed. We also need backlinks to really push us up and forward in the rankings. As content and keywords lay the foundation, backlinks help give us that big push. So let's take a look at our competitors' backlink structure. Now, if you take a look here, you'll notice that your competitors have built out 6 backlinks. They got 3 external domains that are pointing at them, and external links, they got 49. But the backlinks is what we're really paying attention to here. So they have 6 to their website. That's really generating some power for them while bringing in an estimated 125,000 searches each and every month. And this is a direct result of both their website's internal factors, such as content, keywords, as well as their backlink structure. To capture this business for ourselves, we simply need to go bigger and better than our competitors in every aspect, including backlinks. So I recommend 12 backlinks along with our citations and content to dominate that first page ranking. This concludes my free web analysis. So leaving us with the question, what would 125,000 more traffic each and every month do for your business? I thank you for taking the time to watch. I'll follow up, or one of my partners will follow up, to get your thoughts on my analysis and to confirm how useful this information has been to you. Again, this is Richard Music. Have a wonderful day. We'll be talking to you soon.